Hello, it's Lauren. So I'm going to explain really quick how I used my Google Forms to take my survey. So basically all I had to do was go into this, and then really quickly I just typed in all of my questions, which here they are, and then it gives you a link up here. You just copy and paste it to wherever and you can send it out. And then you can create all kinds of different questions. And like here you can add a question, add title, add image, even add video, add a new section. You can edit the background, all kinds of things. And then you can add a different, however like you want the question to look like. And then you can, once you get responses, so I have 7 responses so far, you can go and look at the results. So here I have this, and you can copy the chart so then you can use it for different kinds of things. And it's just really interesting to see the data. So yeah, you can have it laid out in different ways. So yeah, that's basically how you use Google for it. Thank you.